What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you?
You was on the bus and you just suddenly got in front of me.
Oh, fuck off, wanker! It's called filtering, grow up!
No, it's on the fucking crossing when you're not supposed to overtake.
It's called filtering!
No, it wasn't.
Oh, boo-hoo, you're stuck in traffic! Don't it? It don't sound like it don't bother you, does it? Oh look, I'm going to get in front of you again. Wah! 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 Oh look, oh, I'm going to get in front of you. You sure you're okay? Yeah? Do you need to save space? Do you need a little cry? Wah! Wanker. Oh, hit the lorry. Oh, go and drive at me. That's going to the police. Wanker!
Holy fucking dickhead!
Bro, what?
Holy fucking...
Oh my god. You fuck.
Yeah, well done. Oncoming, you fucking idiot. FG72BYS, Nissan Qashqai. It's about 12 minutes past 3.
Yep.
Did he hit you in the outer lane?
Bro, you gotta fucking go.
So it's a customer success manager. But I'll be. Oh, jeez, somebody just got in an accident.
Oh no.
Oh, buddy.
By your house?
No, like right now. No, come on, let me check. You want that? Okay, I'll follow you over there. All right, brother. That was. I was like, dude. I don't know. Just driver suck, man. I'll follow you over there. All right, man.
That's nice of you. Well, alright, so what about?
Right. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. On the same bucket door.
Fucking idiot. Of course, there's always a fucking special one in the group.